You just bought your Oppo Reno. And for any skips and hits, its yearly warranty has got you covered. But we wanted to give you something extra. And that's why we designed the Oppo Premium Service, exclusively for Reno users. With this service, your device repair can be paid with EMI in convenient installments, first time ever. You also get 24/7 hotline support with an exclusive number to call on. Inquire about any feature, technical issue, or function-related query at any time, even on holidays. If you can't visit the service center, get a free pickup and drop service for your repair in major cities. You can also replace your scratched screen guard and back cover with new original ones, all for free. With these, we have more benefits coming up for you soon. And that's Oppo Premium Service. Call now at 1-800-103-2777 to know more.